yesterday we went to Xanthoria and bought some bloody native plants. Today I thought I'd better get them in the ground before they die. So I'm off to the soil shop, the local soil shop, to get some soil to chuck in, because I've only got sand out the back. So we'll see how we go. There you go. Now today we're going to be chucking in this section. I've done the section over there. We've gone all the way up to the wall. I'm going to go along this wall, out that way, and then back again. Right? So going to go that way as well, but mostly this way. Anyway, so what we've got from Xanthoria is a cowberry carpet, which is I think it's a creeper, pretty sure. Yeah, so it only goes to 30 centimetre height, but it goes 2 metres across, so it kind of creeps along the ground. So that's a creeper. It makes a nice flower most of the year. It's pretty cool. I've got some snake grass. This is prickly stuff. Against popular belief, this does not attract snakes. It just makes pretty flowers and very spiky flowers. Maybe it's called snake flower because it scares snakes because it's spiky. I don't know. Might be a little joke in there somewhere. Not sure. Got a new kangaroo paw. This is a black one. I'm going to chuck in the back instead of the front this time because I chucked them out the front and I killed them. And I want to keep one because it's actually black and green, which is yeah, fantastic. From Kings Park, this one. So I got it at Xanthoria. So you can get some there. There's only about 10 left. So get in there quick. We've got some little ones. Sorry, I'm just sitting like a bloody frog. But there we go. So what do we get? We got, I'm going to go through all of them. We got a Melicau Penatonga, and it's a WA native. It's hardy and drought tolerant plant, and it does a pink pom-pom, which is very exciting. So it does a little pom-pom flower, which is fantastic. This one needs semi to full sun. So most of these are semi to full sun, but this one is definitely semi to full sun. This one is a, sorry, I'm very bad at names. I've said this many times, but this is a Moporium Asala prostate. That sounds a bit interesting. Anyway, it's a hardy ground cover for WA coastal conditions, and it has a limestone tolerant, which is not useful for me at all because I'm not anywhere near limestone, so you know, a bit of a strange one. But yeah, it's full sun to part shade and has no low watering requirements. So yeah, I don't think this does much of a flower from memory, but it's a ground cover, so it looked pretty nice, ground covering. It's another ground cover. Go through the ground covers first. This is a Godina Posilla. And it's a yellow flower, little ground cover. It looks pretty pretty. And it's a showy ground cover with glossy green foliage and delicate bright flowers. They're delicate, so don't call them names or they'll just die. Very important not to call them names. This one is Castel. I can't even read that. I'm not even going to go for that one. That one's it's a native hardy shrub and basically looks like gelatin wax. You can see the pictures there, kind of like gelatin wax. I'll just put the tag there. You can read that, and that is what it is. Is Hardenberger Violokia, and it's free and easy apparently. I don't know what that means, but it's native to wisteria and attracts insects, birds to the garden. I don't know where wisteria is, but it doesn't sound Australian, so I'm a bit sure. I'm gonna have to look that up. Might be Australian. I'll put it in the comments if it is Australian. If it's not, you might have to head overseas to grab that one, but I'm pretty sure it's Australian. But, carry on. This one's a this one's a Leptopermum. Why do they just... No, I'm going to go with this basic name. The basic name is a lemon bun, right? Lemon bun, hardy shrub with lemon-scented foliage, masses live green flowers in spring, butterfly attracting. I do love my butterflies, so that's cool, and that's what it looks like. And then this one's called an Aussie Spirit. It does have a scientific name, which I'll chuck at the top, but this is an Aussie Spirit. It's a dense shrub with glossy foliage and blue fan flowers that do in spring and autumn, which bees and butterflies froth on, apparently, and it's full sun again. Almost there, we've got 2 more left. This one's the Anthropos canaritas. Oh, far out. That's not one you want to say on camera too much because YouTube will bloody ban it. But so my bloody tripod just died. So it's this steaming small shrub, silky grey and pink leaves, and attracts the attention of most of the year with red flowers. So it's going to be a nice little flowering one. It hasn't got flowers at the moment, but it might get one soon. And then we got Dampier Tereus, which is a WA native gorgeous shrub, and basically you prune it after flowering apparently, and it's got bright flowers, bright blue flowers, which is those pretty ones just there, if you can see that. Ooh, yeah. And last but not least, well, it is the last one that I've got to put in. It's a Temple Retal USA, evergreen medium shrub with large red or yellow pea flowers, usually during winter.
So that's going to be a good one for the winter, for the bees to be able to eat during winter. So that's going to chuck some little flowers out for me, which will be sick. We're going to get this section done. I'm just going to time lapse it, and you can watch the chaos. Anyway, what we got for this edging, we got some bricks for the edging. I just got them from just some random guy was getting rid of some bricks. We got some peat and carry mulch, and we got some landscape mix, which is just your basic soil for the natives to go in. So they're going to froth on that, and we put the peat and carry mulch on the top. So yeah. I'd talk about why we mulch and what the difference is of mulch and normal soil. So your normal soil, basically this is my normal soil underneath, right? And it's not real foody. There's not much food in there for the plants, which these guys don't mind because they're natives anyway. But the good soil that I'm putting in is, I'll dig in a little bit, probably on the side better. Alright, so you can see that that's a lot more better. It's got quality stuff in there that they're going to eat, because you've got to think your plant's got to eat as well as drink. So the soil makes that, and then when you put mulch on top, what the mulch does is it keeps the plant warm, keeps it moist, keeps the water going through it but also staying in it, and it just keeps kind of the plant healthy and happy. So when the food runs out from the soil, the mulch will compact down in and feed the plant even more, so you don't run out of good quality stuff in your soil. So if you keep, all you do is you plant it in good soil and you keep topping up that mulch, so the mulch keeps going up the top. When you'll see it bloody dilute, all the soil will be going, and it'll just become looking like soil again. That's where you mulch again, and then your plants will look prime all year round. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's just the difference. That's why I mulch and put new soil in. My soil is not too bad for the sandy type of shrubs that you get for native WA plants, but it's just better to chuck it in good stuff. Yep. So yeah, that's the end product for today's bloody thing. All of them in. These ones are all creepers, these ones here, so they're going to creep across. That one gets fairly large, but it gets higher than that one. That one's going to grow that way, hopefully, but it's only about 30 centimeters. That one's a bloody what's it called, the one that grows along things, you know what I mean. And we got some here, and this guy was from Kings Park sale, got him his little Banksia. That's a black kangaroo paw. We got bloody this guy over here. Yeah, it's all going off. It's all going off. And then I used the spare because I got too much to mulch and put new soil in all the other ones that I got from Kings Park the other weekend. So yeah, we're getting there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching today. We're slowly getting around, and yeah, tune in next time.